Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another Foxtecc video, and in this one I'm gonna show you how you can block email messages on your Apple Watch. Whether you're dealing with specific spam emails or if you want to just minimize distractions, let me show you how it works. At first, we need to clarify that how the emails are handled on the Apple Watch depends on the email client you're using. So if you're using the built-in Mail app, which has a blue icon, you'll manage your settings directly through the Watch app on your iPhone. If you're using a different email client such as Gmail, you'll need to adjust the settings within that specific app separately. So you should know about your mail client, but let's say you have the built-in Mail from Apple. So to do that, open the Watch app on your paired iPhone, navigate to the Mail section, and here you can find the option to mirror your iPhone settings or to customize them specifically for your watch. You can decide that you want to reduce interruptions, so you're going to select the custom option instead of mirroring your iPhone, and once you've chosen this, you can turn off notifications entirely if you prefer not to be disturbed by email alerts on your wrist. As an alternative option, you can customize the notifications to suit your needs. This might involve setting specific times when you receive alerts or limiting notifications to certain types of emails. This can all help you adjust the notifications to make it look the way that you want. Also, if you're dealing with specific spam emails and you want to block those, I would recommend managing these directly from your email client on your iPhone. So you're going to open up the email apps, find the spam, and just block the sender or delete them, unsubscribe from the mailing list in case you find them annoying. And this way you can filter the messages which get delivered to your Apple Watch and those that you don't even want to see anywhere. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe below to Foxtecc, and I will see you guys later in the future.